Funniest animal videos, part 11. Like and subscribe if you don't see the cutest little cat in this picture. First up, two lovebirds who ditched flying to become pro skaters. Then we catch a cat mid-conversation with her boyfriend. But the moment she realizes she's being watched, she was shocked. And before we show you the mouse with more escape skills than a magician, make sure to like and subscribe for more hilarious animal moments. And finally, this tiny mouse pulled the ultimate ninja move, juking a confused cat like it's in slow motion. Somebody give...